Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Dodge Avenger Radio Easy Guide. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Then remove the lower trim panel using a flat pry tool, unclip 4 retention clips, and set the panel aside before accessing the radio mounting screws and wiring harness. Use a soft pry tool and start at one corner of the dash trim, applying steady pressure to free the clips, then move along the trim until it pops free. Keep the trim level to prevent stress on tabs. Place removed pieces on a towel in sequence so reinstallation is intuitive. Tight spots may need a small screwdriver to release stubborn clips without force. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car repair tips and easy guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait for parts during repairs, a small comfort during long projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Now let's get back to the video. Once the trim is clear, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the radio mounting screws and slide the unit out about 3 inches. Reach behind and press the wiring harness release tabs, then pull connectors straight back to prevent bending pins. Finally, detach the antenna cable by pulling straight with a slight twist if needed, then lift the radio free for repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.